we have a number of culturally, environmentally and historically significant sites in our care. So we're currently developing the Ancient Lands experience at Ngilgi Cave, and again the Bunbury prisoners have been so helpful to us in helping us get building materials around the sites, oiling and sealing timbers, creating pathways, which are all really important parts of that project and making sure that it's realised. Cape Naturaliste Lighthouse, they've been incredibly important in terms of the restoration that they've done to Cottage 2, which will eventually be the home of our interpretive centre.
Oh, the prisoners are really excited because they've been here since the start of the project, and to actually see the project finish, they've got a great pride and satisfaction, and they're really proud to give back to the community. Yeah, we have guys that have got the skills, so they're still skilled up when they're getting released, and guys who haven't had the skills have learnt new skills which they will take out into the community, and that will provide employment for them.
We've been really privileged to have this relationship for over 10 years now, and to have the Section 95 prisoners coming back to our sites year after year has been really helpful to us, and we really couldn't achieve the level of work that we have without them.